Hello dear students, welcome to session 55 of Business Statistics 5th semester. In the previous session, we learned about what is the meaning of range and how to calculate the range. In this session of measure of dispersion, let us learn about quartile deviation. The objective of the learning is to know the concept of quartile deviation, to know the meaning and definitions of quartile deviation, to know how to calculate quartile deviation, its coefficient. We know that quartile deviation is one of the measure of dispersion. Learning outcome. After learning this, our student should know the concept of quartile deviation and how to compute quartile deviation and its coefficient. Quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation. Quartile deviation, we know that quartile means 4. The quartile deviation of a distribution is the difference between the third quartile and the quartile 1. In simple forms, we call it as Q3 minus Q1 of the distribution, and it is dividing by 2. So, equation of the quartile deviation is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Here, Q3 is equal to third quartile, Q1 is equal to first quartile. Some problem is there. So, quartile deviation is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Coefficient of quartile deviation. Coefficient of quartile deviation is the relative measure of dispersion. Equation for coefficient of quartile deviation formula is Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. MCQ. The interquartile range or quartile deviation is the measure of dispersion belongs to average, median, mode, absolute measure. Answer is absolute measure. The difference between the Q3 and Q1 refers to interquartile of range, standard deviation, mean deviation, none of the above. So answer is interquartile range. The difference Q3 minus Q1. In the quartile deviation, Q3 refers to, the question mark is there, right? It is Q3 refers to lower quartile, median, upper quartile, none of the above. The answer is upper quartile. Q1 is lower quartile and Q3 is upper quartile. The equation for coefficient of QD is quartile deviation coefficient Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. It is very simple to remember, right? Range quartile deviation formula Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Coefficient Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. That's it. Coefficient of QD is the one of the tendency value, relative measure of dispersion value, skewness value, moments value. Friends, it is relative measure of dispersion. We know that all coefficients are called as relative measure. Bibliography again, SP Gupta statistical method, Padmalochan Hazarika, business statistics. Let us meet in the next session. Thank you very much.